make me feel like you make me feel. When you want to, tell me.
Hey gang, as you know, when you guys see me, I'm back with another video, of course. So today, I will be doing a review on my homegirl's black-owned business, Dana K, DK Gang, or whatever. There you go. I will make sure to drop all the links in the comment section below, and so you guys could be iced out like me. Feels me. So sorry. I don't know. But back to that. Okay, so the reaction video is on DK accessories. I just got my package today. She is located in Jamaica. She customizes jewelry and everything, nameplates, bracelets, anklets, you could name it, earrings, rings, anything you could think of, she has them. It's all on her Instagram page. All you have to do is DM her to place an order. And obviously, she does shipping. There's the 2-week shipping, and then there's the express shipping. You know me, I chose the 2-week shipping. I felt like it was forever because, you know, I'm so excited to show you guys what I got into this box. It is my iced out necklace pendant with my initial on it, so you know how that goes. It came in this package. She packaged it herself, but don't mind that. I also got this, and the box was in this. It says my nickname, and then it says USA because, you know, she is located in Jamaica and she's shipping it to the US. When I opened everything, this is what I saw. It's packaged pretty good. I love it. And then, look, on top of that, I get a card. Like, how? Listen, this gots to be like the 1-for-1. So you know me. We're gonna unbox this together, guys. Let me come a little bit closer. So, like, I opened it or whatever. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Then there's my order total, my payment and everything on this piece of paper. Then I have a thank you card from her. And then it's the moment we've all been waiting for. My iced out L. My iced out L. That junk is drippy, isn't it? It is fire. I'm telling you, like, I've been messaging her back and forth since I placed my order. She's a really good friend of mine, and I love it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on right about now. If I could get it open. Oh, I got it open. There you have it, guys. It looks too lit. It is too lit. I ain't gonna hold, like, bro. It pops my neck out, like, like, what? She has silver, gold, you could name it, bro. Like, it is it. But on top of that, like, today is the 17th, September 17th. My boyfriend's birthday is tomorrow. So, you know, I gotta go to the mall. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the mall when I go pick out his gift. I am getting him a necklace that has his YouTube name on it or whatever. And he's pretty excited about it. Like, he nagged me about it. So I finally told him what I got him for his birthday. I got to go pick it up and all of that. Matter of fact, as I'm speaking and recording this right now, that's him texting me, asking me if I went and got it. But, you know, he could wait. Tomorrow is his birthday. So I'm trying to make everything big and beyond for him. That's how I roll. But let's pre my necklace. Ice me out. Ice me out, baby. Ice me out. But let me stop getting distracted. I'm supposed to come out here and do a review on the necklace. I'm telling you, the necklace, like, I'm gonna wear it for a couple days or whatever. I know, like, all her jewelry that I got from her has been doing me wonders. You just have to know how to take care of your jewelry. Like, just don't be like, okay, I'm gonna wear it, this and that. And then, like, you know, you have to have the cleaning process done to it also. It's like taking care of a baby. But, you know, this is jewelry, so it goes on your skin. Like, stuff like that. But this is quality, man. This is quality. It's not thin. It's good quality. Good quality. Like, just peep how thick this layer is. Like, peep that. Right, do you see that? Compared to my actual necklace that I got for Christmas one year, my little turtle, it is thick. Like, thick. Like, thick. But, you know, that's my girl and all. Make sure you guys run over to her page and like all her photos. Oh, damn, I got a brain fart. Make sure y'all like her photos, comment on whatever you guys want to order, and support the Black-owned business, man, because she is doing her thing all the way from Jamaica. She's making it happen. I'm telling you right now, she's making it happen. I'm proud of her, and that's my dog for all. Like, you know, this is Natural Beauty _ damn, I don't remember me damn name. Natural_beauty.j, and you know how that thing go, because I am here to turn this shit up. Hey baby, so what I've managed to do is I've managed to screenshot her page on Instagram so you guys can see her name and see some photos of what she got up. And make sure y'all run over to her page, DanaCase_jewelry, right about now. Place your orders and get iced out like me, man. Get your orders now. All right, guys. So as you see, I'm in the car. I'm about to go to the mall and get my boyfriend's birthday present. So I shall see you when we get there. You know the thing said. Here at the mall, I just pulled in. You know, I gotta have my mask up. I'm about to go into the stores and let's get this show on the road. All right, in the mall. We're in the mall. Ready? You know, I gotta go to Auntie Anne's and get some cinnamon sticks when I'm done, though. When I'm done, I gotta go in the store though and get it done. I just got his necklace. I got his YouTube names engraved on it. Yes, that's about it. But like, I hope he likes it because it's about to be epic, baby. Epic, I'm telling you. So this is a necklace. This is a necklace. And then I got the jewelry box engraved. I'm a good girl.
Get the money, dollar.